In the early 1900s, veterinary science in Nigeria was a relatively unknown field. But after an outbreak of rinderpest, the colonial masters resident in Nigeria thought it wise to take steps that would prevent a reoccurrence. These steps culminated in the setting up of a laboratory to battle rinderpest. That lab gave birth to what is today the National Veterinary Research Institute, VOM, in Plateau State. Today, the NVRI has evolved into a reference point for the history of veterinary science in Nigeria. Its impact reaches pastoralists all over Nigeria and West Africa. The scope of its work has also largely increased. The NVRI has a mandate to, among other things, develop and produce animal vaccines, sera, and biologicals to meet national demand. But what exactly does this mean?
In percentage, having said that we are producing to meet national demand, in percentage, I would say we are producing about 80% of the large animal vaccines. Now, large animals meaning cattle, we are also producing, even though sheep and goats are not strictly large animals, but at least they are comparatively larger than poultry. So we will class them under that. Cattle, sheep, and goats, we are producing about 80 to 85% of Nigeria's need of these vaccines. For poultry, I'm afraid we are only producing about 35 to 40%, I would say, in percentage. The remaining is made up of imports, and we're working on increasing the scope.
The NVRI is structured specially with an executive director at the helm of affairs to carry out its mandate. This it does through its technical and non-technical departments.
Each director is in charge of a department, and under each department there are divisions, and there we have the heads of the divisions are mainly the chief veterinary research officers or chief research officers who head most of the, especially research divisions, and then under them we have